ప్రియమైన ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ సోదర సోదరిమానులు అందరికీ నమస్కారం. As you all are aware, our country has been battling with the coronavirus pandemic since March this year. People across the world have been affected by COVID-19 pandemic, which has spread across many countries in the world without any exception. The impact of damage caused by the spread of coronavirus is felt across the many sectors. Industries have come to a standstill. Education institutions are shut down. Entire humanity in the world is experiencing the crisis of COVID-19 calamity. It is essential that each and every citizen remains alert and cautious. Even though research to find a viable vaccine for the coronavirus is underway in many countries, it may likely to take some more time before the vaccine is found. Meanwhile, it is necessary to ensure that life goes on and is required for the industry and other sectors to slowly start their activities, even though normalcy may not be restored in the near future. According to experts, till such a time viable vaccine is found for the coronavirus, it may be necessary to carry on with the normal activity in life, duly maintaining physical distance, wearing face masks, washing of hands frequently, and by following such other safeguarding measures. I appeal to the people of Andhra Pradesh to keep indoors till 31st May, that is till lockdown 4 stipulated by the state and central governments, or till such time as decided by the government. Special care need to be taken about the elderly persons above the age of 65 years and children below the age of 10 years. They should not be allowed to venture out of homes at any cost. I appeal to the people to observe all the festivities, functions, programs within their homes by strictly adhering to the measures such as maintaining physical distance, wearing face masks, washing of hands, etc. The key to successful prevention of spread of the COVID-19 lies with the following the guidelines issued by the authorities, such as staying indoors, maintaining physical distance of at least 1 meter, frequent washing of hands with soap or sanitary, to always wear a face mask in public, to contact a medical professional at the call center immediately in case any symptom associated with coronavirus are noticed. Do not use self-medication. Avoid all non-essential travels. The central and the state governments made arrangements for temporary shelter and food for migrant workers before sending them to their native state by Shramik Express trains. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced several relief measures to improve the economic activities in the country and has suffered due to onset of coronavirus. Central government has announced a relief package of 20 lakhs crore under the Atmanirbhar Bharat program, which will be beneficial to the MSMEs, that is medium, small and micro enterprises, agriculture and other sectors. I appeal to the students to make best use of the online classes conducted by the various educational institutions through digital mode, as opening of educational institutions may be delayed further. As responsible citizens of the country, it is time for us to resolve to overcome the global crisis by fulfilling all our duties as citizens and abiding by the guidelines issued by the central and the state governments. Our frontline warriors, such as healthcare professionals, nurses, paramedical staff, sanitation personnel, government officials, are rendering human services by protecting people and preventing the spread of coronavirus We should all support them by extending a helping hand. I request the youth organizations such as NCC, NSS, voluntary organizations such as Red Cross Society, NGOs, civil society members to spread about the importance of staying indoors, maintaining physical distance, and wearing face masks in public, etc. Homeless, poor, laborers, migrant workers are worst affected during this difficult time. I have instructed the Red Cross Society officials to distribute essential items such as face masks, hand sanitizers, food packets, water packets, etc. to the needy people. I request the people to make use of the arrangements for testing and quarantine facilities made by the state government at all district headquarters. Anybody with symptoms of dry cough, high fever, sore throat, difficulty in breathing should immediately contact the nearest health facility center, get themselves tested, and seek medical advice on further steps to be taken. The coronavirus is spread through cough or sneeze, personal contact, contaminated objects, mass gathering. I appeal to the people to donate generously to the Prime Minister's Care Fund and the Chief Minister's Relief Fund and help the government in mitigating the emergency situation posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. Money donated to these funds will be utilized to provide relief and rehabilitation to the people affected the most by the unforeseen calamity. It should be kept in mind that for the present there is no other alternative except to coexist with the situation caused by coronavirus. However, there is no need to be worried about the virus as it is possible to prevent the spread of the coronavirus by avoiding unnecessary travel, maintaining physical distance, wearing face masks in public, frequent washing of hands with soap and sanitizer, etc. It should also be kept in mind that our fight is against the coronavirus and not the persons affected by it. Jai Hind.